Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to promote your YouTube videos on Facebook. So first things first, you would have created your Facebook page for the same channel brand. Now this is my Facebook page for YouTube with Saave. Now one thing to note is that Facebook does not promote other channel links. That is, if you just share your YouTube link on this page, Facebook won't promote it. Instead, what you have to do is upload the video directly on Facebook. You can see over here the directly video file has been uploaded, or you can upload any short on Facebook and then link or mention your main YouTube video in the links, right, in the comment section of that video. Now what does that is, here you will give a snapshot of the main short, or the video, and you can include the complete video in the comment section. Alternatively, you can also do is that you can share updates, which I do via some tidbits over here, and pertaining to that, the main key video I share in the comment section. Now, how this helps is that people who are interested in the topic will check out your comments and then get redirected to the main video, and this will help generate more relevant clicks. That is, people who are truly interested in exploring the video will only click on the video, and these won't be clicks which are would generate false views, or maybe from not so genuine viewers, right? So first things first, upload your video on Facebook instead of sharing the YouTube links. Upload related tidbits or snapshots from the video and mention the link in the comment section. These are the key facts you should understand while promoting YouTube videos on Facebook. Another important part is similar to YouTube and Instagram, where you collab on Facebook also. When you upload the same video, right, now Facebook just treats every video as a reel. So for consideration sakes, I will just upload a small tidbit, a random video. Now the important part is you have to understand over here is all this optimization, including uh, the title and description should be SEO. You have to add a specific thumbnail just like YouTube, and collab with other maybe content creators, similar to what you do on Instagram and YouTube, because this will help you reach out to more people. Enable remixing if you want people to use your video for creating more videos. Share to relevant groups. Now if you see over here, I have already added and followed multiple groups which are following YouTube journey, right? So since this channel pertains to creating content on helping your fellow beginners in the YouTube journey, I have added all such groups and I share the videos in those groups. So add your relevant groups and share your Facebook video in that relevant groups to increase traction, and you can schedule as per your liking. So these are very important points similar to YouTube videos, that adding thumbnail, SEO optimized description, tagging and collaborating with fellow creators, and sharing to the relevant groups to increase the traction for your Facebook videos. This will indirectly help you promote your main YouTube videos, and then people who get redirected to your YouTube page, they will also subscribe to your channel. So this is primarily the way you should use Facebook to promote your YouTube videos instead of just pasting your YouTube links on Facebook. I hope this was useful. If you have any queries, drop your queries in the comment section of this video, and do follow us on both Facebook and YouTube.